Hey, I'm Todd from Johnson Auto Body. Today we're going to talk about 3 myths in the auto body industry after you've been in an accident. So the first one is you've got to go around and get a bunch of estimates and things like that. Most people think that you got to get 3 estimates and your insurance companies go with the lowest one and things like that. That's not the case these days. All you really need to do is worry about finding a place to fix your car that you're comfortable with. You feel like they're going to do a great job and they're going to stand behind their repairs. Second one is your insurance company is going to tell you where you're supposed to have your car fixed. That's not true at all. They're going to give you suggestions on shops that might be in their network, but you don't have to go to any of them. You still want to pick wherever you want to go and you're comfortable and you feel like they're going to do a good job. We are on some insurance programs, so I'm not knocking any of that stuff, but we work with all the insurance companies all over the place. And our goal is the same thing, to get your car fixed right. And when you get it back, everything's good to go. It's like it never happened. And the third one is going to be, all right, you got in an accident, somebody rear-ended you and it doesn't look bad, so we're just not going to worry about it, not going to switch information, any of that stuff, and I'm going to be good to go. Well, that's not usually the case. A lot of times, the cars are made to take minor impacts, but there's a lot of stuff behind there that could get broken or crushed. There could be seat presence sensors and stuff that need to be reset because the car knows it was in an impact, things like that. So really, no matter what, if you're in any kind of accident, you need to go get your car checked out and just make sure that everything's going to function right if you happen to get in another accident. So if you have any questions about any of that stuff, give us a call or swing by here at Johnson Auto Body.